KSC presents. Mourners were gobsmacked when a strange sound came out of their loved one's coffin. Shay Bradley was being buried in Kilmanagh, Leinster, Ireland, when there was a sudden burst of noises coming from his coffin. Family and friends gathered for the Irish Defence Force veteran's funeral on Saturday burst out in hysterics as they heard his voice. He could be heard shouting, "Hello, hello, let me out!" There was also the sound of knocking on the wooden coffin. As he continued, "Where am I? Let me out, let me out, it's dark in here. Is that the priest I can hear? This is Shay, I am in the box. I am dead?" Shay then sings, "Hello again, hello, hello, I just called to say goodbye." Shay died on October 8, but having suffered a long illness, he managed to plan one funeral prank for guests at his funeral. The video was shared by the Irish Defence Force Veterans News Service, who said, "It's with great sadness that I was informed of the passing of our military brother and veteran colleague Shay Bradley. On behalf of the members of the IDFVA, I extend our sincerest condolences and prayers to Anne and family at this sad time. May Shay rest in peace." Shay's daughter said the message was recorded before his death and broadcast through a speaker on the ground. She said he would love to know how many people he made laugh. He was an amazing character. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.